to go home, sit on your couch, read a book, and relax with a little kitten on your lap?
We want you to meet Mr. Pickles.
Mr. Pickles was brought here to this shelter because his owner could no longer care for him.
Although he is old, he is young at heart. He loves to sit on laps and be petted. Won't you open your heart to this guy? You won't regret it.
Mr. Pickles is 15, and he would like a friend in a loving home.
He is great with other cats.
Mr. Pickles would just like another cat bed to sleep in again and have a family to cuddle with.
Come stop and visit this well-mannered boy. He will steal your heart for sure.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ding, ding, tingling too. Come on and sleigh.